We were GPS and track, and this morning we had a very expensive lavatory. Yes, like a porta potty, but really expensive for a really nice event stolen. We have a client that's got like hundreds of these. They're worth just tens of thousands of dollars, rented out all the times for big events, concerts, VIP, that sort of thing. And somebody stole it, and the guy was smart enough to put a GPS tracker on it. We were able to recover it this morning. But like, look where it is, in the middle of nowhere, in a town in California you've never heard of, and it is next to this huge farm that goes on and on and on and on. Like, how ever would you have found this? But with satellite tracking, no matter if it's like equipment, trailers, or high priced porta potties, you know exactly where they're at. Like, this is one of those situations where it's like you don't need us till you need us. But he was smart enough to put a GPS tracker. We do recovery like this all the time, but this is just one of those rare items that we rarely see, that's just like an awesome recovery story, and police were involved and people arrested. All right, just wanted to show that one.